Okay guys, so in this lecture we'll be continuing on seeing some more examples of the even reaction. Okay, so let's get started. So examples, we have first one as a primary alcohol, H plus heat. What will happen? What would the major product? So the major product would be this one. Okay, let's look at second example. Here we have something like this. What would be the major product? Again, H plus heat, even reaction. This would be the major product. Third example, again H plus heat, major product would be this one. Again we H plus heat it. Again, what would be the product? Product would be again this one only. Why? Because the intermediate carbocation, what will happen is this would be the intermediate carbocation. It will undergo shift, or we can say 1 to H minus shift to form a compound or a carbocation, something like this, resulting into a double bond between this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Okay, let's look at fifth example, where we have something like this. Okay, so what would the product formed? H1 heat, H plus heat. So what would the product? Product would be something like this. Again, you can say that the positive carbocation, positive charge would be on this carbon, CH3 minus shift, 1 to CH3 minus shift, positive charge will come into this in the intermediary compound. So then it would have this CH3 would shift to this carbon atom, hence this carbon atom would have 2 CH3 attached to it, because 1 CH3 minus got shifted to this carbon atom. Okay, let's look at sixth example, where we have something like this and OH is attached. Again H plus heat, what would be the major product? Again this, how many alpha hydrogen does it have? 12 alpha hydrogen. Okay, so 2 butanol, H plus heat, this would be the major product. Okay, 1 butanol or butanol, H plus heat, what would be the major product? Again this one. Okay, I hope you can see why this product gets formed. Okay, now what about this example? This is the ninth example. Okay, what happens when we actually heat yeah, more clear, H plus and heat, what happens here? So we get something like this. Okay, 10th example, what if we have something like this? Again this product, H plus heat. What if we have something like this? H plus heat. What will happen is, what would be the major product? This would be major product. Why? 1 to CH3 minus shift, because carbocation at this position would be more stable, hence it will shift, and this CH3 will come onto this carbon atom, this one. Okay, let's look at another example, where we have something like this, H plus and heat. So what happens in this case is, positive charge comes here, and on rearrangement we will have something like positive charge here, and then this acidic hydrogen would be taken by HSO4 minus, if we have concentrated H2SO4 as a source of our H plus iron. Hence we will have a benzene like structure, or benzene only, which is aromatic. Okay, let's see what happens in this case, where we have OH and H plus and heat. What happens here is positive charge comes on here, on rearrangement it comes here. Why? Because of two reasons. We have more number of alpha hydrogen as well as conjugating double bond with the positive charged carbocation. So we would have something like this. Okay, let's talk about this, where we have something like this structure. Okay, so what happens in this case is, let me draw the intermediary stages. We would have something like positive charge on this carbocation, this carbon atom. Then this will actually go here, and we will have something like this with the positive charge here. Now CH3 minus shift happens here. Okay, because the present number of alpha hydrogen here are 1 and only 1, and on this we can have alpha hydrogen as, how many alpha hydrogen are present here? 3, 4, 5 alpha hydrogen here, hence it will go in the forward direction. Okay, now what happens, this H gets attacked by HSO4 minus, and we would have something like this as the product. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this lecture. In the next lecture we'll be seeing some more examples, and we'll be seeing the comparison of rate of acid catalyzed dehydration reaction in certain organic compounds. So till then, good luck and goodbye.